I'm Rob Menzies and welcome back to my channel. Today we are heading off to Donington Racetrack for the first track day of the year for me for the year of 2021. As any of my followers will know, every time I've been going on track for the last few years I've been using small boys track hire bikes and doing exactly the same again today on their Kawasaki 636. So here we are at Donington Racetrack today. As you can see, everyone else is priming and prepping and getting set up. However, for me, I can go and leisurely check in. So, now that we are here, we've gone and checked in. What we need to now do is go and find the bike that we're going to be on today. And look at this, opening up for me just as I arrived. So we can go in and have a bit of a look at all of the bikes from small boys. How's that for a lineup? So get to pick and choose on which one I want. By the looks of things, I'm going to be going for the one down the end, and we're going to come in, we're going to get the GoPro mount on the bike, and the back seat's being taken off for me so we can put on the we're going to put on the strap that I use for the airbag vest. So we're going to get all that sorted and get ready, get in my leathers and get ready to go. Okay, so this is the analytics for the fourth session. This is actually a really great session because on this round I actually managed to get my fastest lap of the day, which is a 1 minute 48 seconds, which is really great. As you can actually see on some of the further laps, what you do see lap 4 and lap 5 is actually I slowed down for a friend of mine to basically try and catch up with me because I wanted to try and see him on lap. But it was quite interesting actually to see the differences between the fastest lap of the day and something that is basically 8 seconds a lap slower. So if we look over at the analytics, again I've got over here both the speed, the power and the lean angle. We've got the white video top left here, which is basically lap 2. We've got the red video and the red chart, which is lap 4. So looking at it, there's a few places if we really focus on the speed where we can see we make a difference. First one is as we come down out of the Melbourne Loop, I think it's called, the last chicane, and then start coming up towards the normal start finish straight, we can see that for some reason I just wasn't on the gas as well as I would like to be. Second piece that we can see is as we're coming down the start finish straight, I just didn't seem to carry quite as much speed onto that start finish straight. In particular when I was slowing down, I think I was more aggressive on the braking when I was coming out on my faster lap. The one that actually really jumps out though is, quite frankly, I ended up getting carved up. So if you look at the picture at the top right here, we can see this section where on my quick lap I was firing through and accelerating up and using all the power possible to basically drive up through the track. Unfortunately on the red lap I had someone carve right in front of me, which totally put me off and basically meant that whole section of the track I ended up doing quite poorly in. If we then look at the back end of the lap, it's easy to see why the lap time is so bad because I actually slowed right the way down. As I said, I was waiting for one of my friends to catch me up so that we could try and basically be on track together. But anyway, this is lap 4. We're now going to dive you into live analytics on the lap of lap 4. So have a look at that one and then I will show you the entire session. Enjoy!
hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, then please remember to not only like the video but also hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on future videos like this in the future. Thanks again for watching, and see you again soon.